black, black.
My cat is black and white.
Blue, blue.
Her eyes are blue.
Brown, brown.
His hair is brown.
Gold, gold.
I bought a gold watch for my mother.
Gray, gray.
She likes gray cars.
Green, green.
Why are plants green?
Orange, orange.
She was wearing an orange dress.
Pink, pink.
Pink roses are beautiful.
Purple, purple.
I painted the house a purple color.
Red, red.
I have 2 red balls.
Silver, silver.
These cups are made of silver.
White, white.
She has white, beautiful teeth.
Yellow, yellow.
She wore a yellow skirt.